Okay, kids, time for a Bolens HT20 update. I'll shed a little light on the situation. Literally. Got some lights over here in the new shop, and we got a heater that's going to be installed in a week or two, so that's cool. Oh, and a lift. So that'll be handy. Anyway, the HT20. Now with Magnum 18. Magnum 18, Magnum 20. Holy shit. Anyway, so of course, this was the engine that was on the Simplicity 7117 for a while, and I found that Magnum 18 for it, and I thought, well, I want the 20 horse on the HT20 Bolens, so that's what we did. Swapped it over, wired it all up, and actually put an exhaust on it, unlike when it had the Briggs in it. And well, I'm gonna play with it for a little while. This spring here, I'm gonna get the mower deck fixed up, which I don't think it needs anything besides a belt. Put it on it, sharpen the blades, grease it, see how this cuts the grass, and we'll see what we do with it from there. I almost had my hands on a 3-point hitch for it, but I got outbid at the last second. So, dang. I kind of was hoping to take this to plow day this coming year, but oh well. But yeah, got our freaking nicely routed fuel line there. But yeah, we're gonna turn the fuel on. Oh yeah, nicely made, well, nicely made exhaust system there. Does the job. Got some heat protectant on the rubber hoses there. Let's give her a start. She hasn't been started in I think a week. Oh, brake pedal. Yeah, I have it set up so that you have to have the PTO off and the brake off like factory, or it won't start. There we go. See, I got the switch hooked up in there. All right, and the oil pressure light even works. Typical Kohler knock. Sounds worse than usual though. Maybe this is gonna blow up on me now. I'm sure it's not. But yeah, you can see before we smoke it out in here. Whew, because till this thing warms up, it burns a little oil. It's always been that way. Look at her chooch. Stupid thing. But yeah, works pretty good. If I could get it out and play with it, I would, but unfortunately I can't. Cute. Now both the tires go flat on the front. I love it. They're brand new tires, but apparently that must leak around the rims or something. But check this out. Some bright frickin' LEDs from superbrightleds.com with some smoke for extra effect. That's the exhaust smoke. I'm getting stuck on the Honda. Taillight even works. Whoop, there we are. Oh, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna try and cut some grass with it in the spring, see how that goes. Don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon, but who knows. I'm starting to get more interested in playing with trucks and stuff now, but I don't think I'll ever be totally phased out of playing with garden tractors, because I don't know, I've loved it ever since I was a little kid. Oh, this poor thing, I snapped the creeper gear in it plowing snow, so I'm gonna get crucified by the Cub Cadet guys about this, but whoops, oh well, it probably can be fixed. I'm just gonna take it out, and so that way it doesn't happen again, because let's face it, that Kubota makes too much torque for it. Anyway, that'll be coming up in an upcoming video. We'll fix the clutch in that too, because the pressure plates are bent, so it just freaking wobbles and makes a whole bunch of noise, and that's why the clutch is really jumpy in that. There's the Predator Power 1250 of my buddies. Just doing a little bit of work to that for them. Put new tires on the front there. And servicing the transmission. Well, anyway, guys, just figured you might want to peek at the HT20 now with this big old Kohler on there. Not the original, of course, but yeah. Alright, well, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. It was a little bit lame, but anyway, hopefully you enjoyed it. And till next video, I guess we'll catch you later, and take care. See ya.